Claude can now take full control of your computer. It can open apps, navigate your browser, edit spreadsheets, batch process files, and complete tasks while you're away from your desk. It's currently in research preview and only available on macOS right now. But this is a glimpse into the future of AI assistants that can actually do work on your behalf, not just give you advice. First, let me show you the official demo from Anthropic, then I'll show you how it performs in the real world. Here's the official video from Anthropic showing what Claude computer use can do. In the first scenario, the user asks Claude to export a pitch deck to PDF and attach it to a 2 p.m. calendar invite. Claude opens the presentation software, exports the deck, opens the calendar, finds the 2 p.m. meeting, and attaches the PDF. All completely automated. Second scenario, the user asks Claude to update a library page and capture a screenshot by 3 p.m. Claude navigates to the page, makes the updates, takes the screenshot, and confirms completion. The third scenario is really impressive. The user says, "Can you batch process all the shop photos on my desktop, size them as 1200 pixel PNGs, and add the white logo bottom right? Ran out of time to do it myself." Claude opens the photos, processes each one, resizes them, adds the logo in the correct position, and saves them all as PNGs. This is the kind of tedious task that would take you 30 minutes to do manually, and Claude just handles it. Before we get to the real-world test, I need to mention something important. Anthropic has been shipping features at an absolutely insane pace. According to Product Compass, Anthropic shipped 74 releases in just 52 days. That's more than one new feature every single day. In the past week alone, they released Claude tasks, projects, Cowork DOM selection, skills, Claude code updates, computer use, schedule features, channels, permission prompts, mobile tools for Figma and Canvas, and auto mode for Claude code. This computer control feature is just one piece of a much larger push to make Claude an actual AI assistant that can work autonomously. Now let's see how it performs in reality. Popular AI YouTuber Matt Wolf tested this feature, and I want to show you his experience because it reveals both the potential and the current limitations. Full credit to Matt Wolf for this demo. First, you need to enable computer use in Claude settings. You also need to be on a paid plan, at least the $20 per month plan. Once enabled, you go to Settings, then Desktop App under General, and turn on Computer Use. Matt gave Claude a simple task. Open DaVinci Resolve and show me where the magic mask feature is. Watch what happens. The screen gets an orange glow indicating Claude is in control. And then, it's extremely slow, like painfully slow. The first attempt actually timed out and failed. Matt had to tell it to try again. The second time, it worked. DaVinci Resolve opened, Claude navigated through the interface, found the color page, and located the magic mask feature. But here's the thing. This entire process took about 5 minutes. A task that would take a human about 10 seconds to do manually took Claude 5 minutes. Matt's hands are completely off the keyboard and mouse during this. Claude is doing everything, but the speed is a real issue if you're sitting there watching it work. Let's be honest about the limitations. Computer use is slow right now, very slow. It's also macOS only, which leaves out Windows and Linux users. And it's in research preview, meaning it's experimental and will have bugs. But think about where this is heading. A year from now, this will probably be 10 times faster. It'll work on all operating systems. The accuracy will improve, and the types of tasks it can handle will expand dramatically. We're looking at a future where you can delegate entire workflows to AI. Not just write this email, but research this topic, compile findings into a presentation, send it to my team, and schedule a meeting to discuss it. That's the trajectory we're on. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI news and tutorials. And huge thanks to Matt Wolf for testing this and sharing his experience. I'll link to his full video in the description so you can check out his channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.